RamJack of Colorado is a foundation repair company serving the Denver metro area since 1989. A proud member of the Better Business Bureau and TeamDaveLogan.com, RamJack is a company you can trust. You are viewing this video because you are concerned that your home has a foundation problem. Most foundation problems are caused by soil changes, but can also result from poor drainage systems or faulty foundation construction. In Colorado, failures are mostly due to soil changes. Colorado soils are extremely unforgiving, whether it is expansive soils causing heaving or soil settling due to drought conditions. Both of these soil conditions can cause foundation movement. Here are some classic signs of foundation movement: cracks in the brick and drywall, windows and doors out of alignment, and uneven floors. RamJack offers a free consultation, so if you think you have a foundation issue, please call us at 303-716-7437. You may be saying to yourself, my home isn't old enough to have a foundation problem. Unfortunately, the age of the home does not matter. Foundation movement can occur in any home of any age. Let us take you through a typical foundation repair. This home was built in 1953. The garage was enclosed and converted to a dining room just a couple of years ago. Settling soils caused a number of problems, as you can see with the many cracks throughout the home and its foundation. The homeowner hired an independent structural engineer to design a plan of repair to address the issues with the home's foundation. Mike Coyle of Coyle Inspection Engineers was the engineer the homeowners chose. The structural engineer also provides a final letter of compliance to ensure the work was done in accordance to the plan of repair. Engineering is a requirement by the local building departments and requires that the engineer perform all inspections. The engineer determined that helical piles be installed around the entire home. RamJack began the work per the engineer's plan of repair. Sidewalks were removed in some areas to begin the excavation process. Excavation was done in pits at each of the helical pile locations around this home. The excavation was done to the bottom of the foundation wall, and the footing was chipped away to allow a flush surface to mount RamJack's foundation wall bracket. Once the foundation wall bracket was installed, RamJack began installing the helical piles. A lead section with helix is the first section to be installed in advance using a hydraulic torque driver. Additional threaded extensions were then added in advance in the same manner until the required torque was met. The torque requirement was set by the structural engineer. Torque is calculated to meet the required load each pile will support, and this is done using a torque correlation conversion chart. Your RamJack representative can explain this further. Next, it was determined that the addition of this home was built on a concrete floor poured directly on the dirt. There was no foundation wall in this area, so the engineer required an 8-inch by 8-inch angle iron to be installed between each of the foundation wall brackets. This was done to add support across the entire edge of the building, supporting the walls above. Once RamJack installed all the helical piles, the elevation recovery of the settled areas of the home was done. In this instance, a multi-lift process was used, allowing all lifting to be controlled from one source. Depending on the project, multiple jacks may be used, but the results are the same. RamJack had great success on this home, with many of the cracks in the brick closing almost completely. The homeowner was quite pleased. After the elevation recovery of the settled areas was completed, the engineer performed his final inspection and the backfill process began. The backfill process is done by placing the soil back into the excavation in small lifts, compacted and graded to accommodate the concrete or for as much positive drainage as possible. The concrete sidewalks and other flat work around the home that was removed previously is then repoured, and the job site is cleaned. Once RamJack receives the final letter of compliance from the engineer, the building permit is closed and a lifetime transferable warranty is issued to the homeowners. RamJack's lifetime warranty is the best in the business and something RamJack is known for. So if you think you have a foundation issue, please call us right away at 303-716-7437 or visit RamJackofColorado.com.